Hello, this is Asha. You're watching Learn with Asha. I will recite the rhymes today. The rhyme's name is A Piece of the Paper. A piece of the paper, a piece of the paper. Fall into the ground, fall into the ground. It makes a dairy, it looks a dairy. Pick it up, pick it up. Let's sing in Bengali. The rhyme's name is Kagozher Tukra. কাগজের টুকরা কাগজের টুকরা পড়ে আছে ওই জায়গা করে নোংরা তুলে নাও Like my videos please. Thanks for watching. Bye.